Hello and welcome to Unlock 3rd edition. For this teaching tip, we're going to look at how your students can create and record a voiceover for one of the Unlock videos in the unit Watch and Listen section. One of the advantages of this activity is the way in which students are using different skills, including writing, revising, discussion, and so on, making it a great opportunity to practice integrating skills. When you reach the Watch and Listen section in the unit your students are working on, complete the Preparing to Watch activities. Typically, these will focus on activating knowledge, prediction, and perhaps a vocabulary task. Then, allow students in groups of 3 to 4 to look at the while watching activities, as this will help them to understand more about the video content. In most units, one of the while watching activities will be to summarise or to complete notes, and it will be useful for students to predict the answers, as this will help them when they write their voiceovers. However, students will need to create their own texts and not just use the summaries in their books. Explain to your students that they're going to watch the video without any sound. While watching, they should take notes. Then, after watching, they work together in their groups to write a voiceover for the video. If you wish, you can set a word limit. You could also split up the video so that different groups are working on different sections. Be prepared to pause the video so that students have time to write their notes. Students can re-watch the video, but their time should mostly be spent on creating the voiceover. When students have finished, if the groups have been working on the whole video, they can compare versions with other groups. If you've split the video between different groups, the groups can work on putting the different sections together into one complete voiceover. Finally, you can play the video with the audio so that the groups can compare their versions with the original.